Hello and welcome to Salty Space. In this video we'll take a deep dive into the history, current state, and future of the commercial space travel. From the first space tourists to current plans for lunar tourism, we will cover it all. Part 1. The early days of space tourism. The idea of space tourism is not a new one and dates back to the 1960s. However, it wasn't until 2001 that the first private citizen, Dennis Tito, flew to the International Space Station. Tito's trip cost him around $20 million and opened the door to the possibility of space tourism. Since then, several companies have emerged, each with their own unique approach to space tourism. Part 2. The current state of the industry. As of today, the space tourism industry is still in its infancy, but it's growing rapidly. There are several companies currently offering suborbital flights, including Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin. Both companies are planning to start taking customers to space within the next few years. Virgin Galactic has already sold over 600 tickets for their suborbital space plane, which will offer passengers a few minutes of weightlessness and an incredible view of the Earth. Part 3. Beyond suborbital flights. While suborbital flights are exciting, the future of commercial space travel lies in longer trips. SpaceX, for example, is planning to take private citizens on a trip around the moon in the near future. The company has already signed up Japanese billionaire Yusaku Maezawa for the mission, which is set to take place in 2023. Maezawa will be accompanied by a group of artists who will create works inspired by their experience in space. Part 4. The challenges of commercial space travel. Despite the excitement surrounding space tourism, there are still several challenges that need to be overcome. The biggest challenge is cost. At present, tickets for suborbital flights cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, making them inaccessible for the vast majority of people. There are also regulatory hurdles to overcome, as space travel is still heavily regulated by agencies such as the FAA and NASA. Part 5. The future of space tourism. Despite these challenges, the future of space tourism looks bright. As more companies enter the market and technology improves, we can expect to see more affordable and accessible space tourism options in the coming years. One of the most exciting developments in the prospect of lunar tourism. Several companies, including SpaceX, Blue Origin, and NASA, are planning missions to the moon in the coming years. These missions will offer tourists the chance to not only see the moon up close, but also potentially stay on its surface. In conclusion, the future of commercial space travel is bright. With several companies vying for a piece of the market and new developments in its technology, it's only a matter of time before space travel becomes more accessible and affordable. Who knows? One day you could be one of the lucky few to experience the wonders of space travel for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting space content.